Crypto, altcoins. Well, why am I not posting about altcoins all the time? Guys, simply because I trade Bitcoin these days. The crypto market is having a lot of problems. I mean, I know that you are also aware about them. If you ask me, it has to do with the market makers, the manipulation, the order books, and these are not things that I can fix. So it's been a long time that I'm trading only Bitcoin and Bitcoin again and again. I have been posting for you the channel and all these nice entries that we had. I mean, just very recently, I also shared with you mines. I think I'm going to be posting more mines. So we had that rejection over there, and that was the time to, go short again. I said that a good channel a day keeps the doctor away or the deposits away, the withdrawals closer. So yeah, it makes more sense to me to trade Bitcoin. Okay, it faked it out. It went back into the channel after we had this phenomenal entry down here. And then the minute it was there at 77,300. We had a short to all the way down until we could get back in at 74,126. And then at the end of the channel, that was the mind that I shared with you. It was time to get out. And that's where we stand right now. So I am trading the Bitcoin chart, and that's what I do these days. But at the same time, we're looking for some short opportunities, and I saw a Rave coming. It had all the prerequisites, flying to $6 billion market cap out of nowhere, multiple listings on all exchanges. We knew that was going to happen, so I had this target 1.26, and that's exactly what happened. Did I make money on this one? Actually, I didn't because I tried a short over here, so I tried early, and then I didn't follow up on my chart. That was my big mistake because I had the opportunity to clearly use my chart and had an optimal re-entry here, which I snoozed. I didn't take it. It was on Saturday and I was busy with family. Okay, so I had a good time at least. And then again, it got rejected again. So we had an even clearer entry. So we had not one but two very nice entries. And yes, the 1.26 target, which sounded crazy when an asset is at 17 or even 20. My God, it went to 28.8. Yeah, to say that it's going to go back down to 1.26, it's crazy. But this is crypto. And hey, just a little message for the crypto bosses out there. Unfortunately I don't speak Chinese, but hey, you have destroyed this market and you're gonna have to fix it if you want to survive. Okay, if you want to survive, you have to fix it. Yeah, a rave, definitely not a rave party, and yeah, we're gonna keep our eyes open for the next big short. Either it's on altcoins or it could be brewing right now in the real market and the indices. Okay, so we could see the S&P 500 be because, by the way, I don't want to scare you right now. Okay, but since I opened this conversation, we have this thin support. We have this range now, so 7,100. That level is lost. Then I'm gonna be going short on the S&P 500 and short to roughly 6,400 to 6,074 or even worst case scenario 5,464. But for the time being, it is keeping that support over there. So that's the market today. Buy the rumors, sell the news. A lot depends on the geopolitics and what is happening, with Iran, Trump, Israel, and the rest, with the Straits of Hormuz and all that craziness with war. But at the end of the day, guys, we do not trade the uh, the news, we trade the structure, we trade the charts. And the same way that a lot of my friends were asking me if we should go short over here, okay, and especially down there, I said no. This was time to buy the rumors, and maybe just maybe right now we need to be aware that the situation is going to be very, very volatile with the S&P 500 as well. Then again, some other shorts like this one, crypto has become ideally, altcoins have become ideal for some short positions. But even with this, it's hard to enter these trades. So last thought I want to share with you, isolated mode for these risky trades. Okay, don't mix them up with the rest of your positions, and small reasonable amounts. Next time, I promise you, I will cover one of my favorite strategies, which is compounding and how I use it, especially for short positions. Right now, I am actively compounding on a short position on BNB. That's it from me, guys. Take care.